How does one sneak backstage to pretty Salem sanctuary for wayward cats, ferals and familiars? Welcome est 1692 shirt their own show? They call him an old maid. I lolled for real. I'd managed to sneak into the Shaky Knees Festival in the US where I met some Australian. Pretty Salem sanctuary for wayward cats, ferals and familiars. Welcome est 1692 shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, and NBSP. And then loads of people started Pretty Salem sanctuary for wayward cats, ferals and familiars. Welcome est 1692 shirts buying us drinks to congratulate us on the set. I got chucked out at this point cause someone thought I was under 21. I wasn't, but I met my other product.